Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD. Welcome to the ASD physics classes. Hope you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter Units and Measurements. The question is, a tiny metallic rectangular sheet has length and breadth of 5 mm and 2.5 mm respectively. Using a specially designed screw gauge which has a pitch of 0.75 mm and 15 divisions in the circular scale, you are asked to find the area of the sheet. In this measurement, the maximum fractional error will be x by 100. Then what is the value of x? Anyhow, the error will be always maximum only. Even they are telling or not telling does not matter. Okay. So let's take here the length is L. Okay. This is the length and the breadth is what here? B. Now, so anyhow, what is given here? I will just write here the length value is given here. The length they are telling how much? 5 mm. Okay. 5 mm and what is the breadth? Breadth they are telling here 2.5 mm. This data is given here. But here you can see in the question they have talked about the screw gauge also. Okay, and they are asking here the fractional error. That means to calculate the fractional error, absolute error in the measurement is very important. And for that we have to calculate the screw gauge least count here. Okay, so if we talk about here the screw gauge. So for the screw gauge, if we talk about for the screw gauge, what is the least count? Least count of any screw gauge is given by, remember that here, pitch by number of divisions. Number of divisions on circular scale, because in a screw gauge there is the two scales, one is the linear scale, one is the circular scale. So this is the pitch least count formula, pitch by number of divisions on circular scale. So what is the pitch is given here? You can see very well the pitch is the 0.75 mm. Okay, pitch is 0.75 mm and the number of divisions on the circular scale, what is given here? See, 15 divisions, 15. So I will write here the 15. So you can see very well 0.75 by 15 and this will come what here? Just divide it, it will come here 0.05 mm. This is the least count here. Okay, one thing is done. After that, next one, if we talk about here, what is the area of this square? Not a square, what is given here? Rectangle is given here. Okay, rectangle. So for this rectangle, what is the area of the rectangle? A equal to length into breadth, LB. Is it? Now from this A equal to LB, if I calculate here, it's what we can tell error expression. What we can tell here, students, error expression. So error expression, error expression, or what we can tell error equation also, anything is okay. So this one will be what here? Delta A by A is equal to L power 1 B power 1. So this will come here delta L by L plus delta B by B. Okay, and this only is called here the relative error or the fractional error. Okay, so from here if I calculate here my this fractional error delta A by A, so you can see in the question L is given, B is given, but delta L is not given. Absolute errors in length and absolute error in breadth is not given. So in this kind of questions, when there is absolute error is not given, so whatever is the least count, that will be used as absolute error. That means least count is the minimum measurement that can be taken by the apparatus very easily. And how much error is possible? Error is possible up to the value of least count only. Okay, so at the place of delta L and delta B, I will put the value of least count here. Okay, so delta L, what is given here? See, 0.05 by length, what is given here? 5. And see, this is in mm, this is also in mm, both will cancel out mm. Plus again we can write here, see, 0.05 by what is given here? 2.5 here. Okay, so we will just simplify this here. See, after decimal 2 digits, so here also I will put the decimal 2 digits. Here also after decimal 2 digits, so after decimal I will put 10. Now, so now decimal will cancel out. So we can write here what? We can write here, this will become here 5 by 500 plus here I can write here 5 by 250. Okay, 5 by 500 into 5 by 250. Again we can just simplify this. So what this will become here? Kindly see. Even we can write here, this will become here 1 by 100 plus, and this one will become here what? This will become here 1 by 50. Delta A by A 1 by 100 plus 1 by 50, is it? Then after that we have to take here the LCM and all. No? So LCM we have to take here 1 by 100 plus 1 by 50. So here I can write here, hence delta A by A is equal to, what is there, 1 by 100 plus 1 by 50. Now just take here the LCM. LCM is what here? 100. Okay. So here it will become here 1 plus 2 times it will go, so 2. So what is coming here? 3 by 100. Delta A by A is coming what here? Fractional error in the area 3 by 100. And we have to compare with what? We have to compare with this one here, x by 100. So there 3 by 100, here x by 100. So what is the value of the x? The value of x will be 3. Can you see here? Is it? So students, in this question we have understood, if in case absolute errors is not given, then the least count of the apparatus that we are using for the measurement will be used as a absolute error. So this question I hope so very clear. Keep studying, keep growing.